Welcome to the Handed Down Kitchen. Today we'll be sharing with you an odd recipe from the 1930s for stewed cucumber. This can either be served as a side or a garnish. To make this dish you're going to need 1 large cucumber, 3/4 of a pint of brown stock, and we use lamb stock, 14 grams of plain flour, 28 grams of butter, and some salt and pepper to season with. The first thing you're going to need to do is to peel your cucumber. We tried to do ours as thinly as possible and we don't have a peeler, so it was hard work, but we got there in the end. Next, cut your cucumber into pieces about 3 inches long. Then cut your 3-inch pieces into halves lengthways and scoop out the seeds. Once you've scooped all the seeds out, dry the pieces quite well using a cloth or a kitchen towel. To start stewing them, melt the butter in a saucepan and lay the pieces of cucumber in. Fry the pieces of cucumber until they're a pale golden colour and then lift them out of the pan and transfer them to a hot plate. Next, stir the flour into the remaining butter in the saucepan and fry these together for a minute or two. Then, gradually stir in the stock. Bring this to the boil and then add the cucumber back in. Simmer these all together for about 15 minutes or until the cucumber is tender. Just before you take it out, taste the sauce, and if it's not found to be flavoured enough, add some salt and pepper to taste. Then carefully lift the pieces of cucumber out and lay these onto a hot vegetable dish. Pour the sauce or gravy over the cucumber pieces and then serve. In our last recipe video, we made a dish from the very same cookbook for roast neck of lamb, and the recipe for the lamb specified that the meat should be served with maitre d'hotel sauce around it and this stewed cucumber as a garnish. We hope you enjoyed this video. If so, please remember to like it and remember to subscribe to our channel if you're interested in seeing us recreate more antique recipes from our little collection of cookbooks. You can also find full instructions for how to make this dish, along with many more, on our website, which is linked in the description box below, and you can find video recipes for how to make the roast neck of lamb and some lovely roast potatoes to go with them on our channel.